Now, creating an entire stunning video using Storyboard is easier than ever. Okay, you can easily use free Dola AI, Tinker, or any other website to generate Seedance 2 videos for free, or you can use paid options like Higgsfield, Topview, etc. In this video, we'll generate three scenes. Okay, first is an anime fight scene, second is a dragon fight scene, and third is an abandoned. Okay, so the prompt that we will be using is the AI Storyboard prompt builder. Okay, so this prompt will be in the link in the description. You can just copy it. So what we have to do is just copy this. So for this, just head over to ChatGPT and paste your prompt. Okay, you can just paste your story. Whatever story you have, you can just paste it here and just click on next. Now ChatGPT will start, giving you this full storyboard. Okay. Now all the characters, environment, and the scene by scene breakdown will be given to you. Now once this is complete, you can copy this. Okay. Now to create videos, you can use like Dola AI for free, and there are many other websites also like Dreamina if you have access to it. And for paid options, you can use Higgsfield, Topview, etc. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using Leonardo AI. It also gives access to Seedance 2. Now, the model that you can use is GPT-2 or maybe Seedream 4.5 or 5. I'll be using Seedream 5. Okay, just paste your prompt here, uh, full prompt, and just click on generate. Here's the generated result. Now to create the video, just add this image, reference image that you have just generated. Okay, add this to the prompt and paste this prompt again from ChatGPT and select your dimensions like 16:9 HD and audio enabled and click on generate. And this is the generated result. Now in this dragon video, we'll be adding voiceover, okay? And we'll be creating a 5x3 storyboard. So just as usual, we'll just copy the prompt and just type a story, okay? So I've just pasted the prompt, and in the end, I've just added my story, which is the dragon comes from the sky and claim the sky is mine. You merely borrowed it and destroy city. Voice is ancient, visuals like Game of Thrones or like whichever show you prefer, and click. Now ChatGPT will generate this whole storyboard for you. Now, once this prompt is complete, head over to your video generator and image generator, use GPT-2 or like Seedream 5, and just make the video, make the storyboard. Paste your prompt. You can also provide a reference images if you want. For the time being, I'm not doing it. Let me click generate, and this is the result that I get. Add my storyboard image and just paste my prompt again. The image has been added, storyboard image has been added, and I pasted my prompt. And the dimensions are like 16:9, whether you want HD, 4K, whichever you want, and just click on generate. Now this is the complete result.
Your world ends tonight.
We're too late.
Remember who conquered the skies.
Now for the final video, we'll be adding multiple characters in the same video. Okay, so I've created a zombie apocalypse scene. Okay, this is the main character, and this is a leopard, a zombie leopard, and this is a zombie zebra, and just same prompt that we have, which is the AI storyboard prompt builder, which you'll find in the description of this video. Just copy it and just paste your story. And this is my story. The zombie apocalypse has begun. The male protagonist enters an abandoned amusement park filled with zombies. He fights zombies with a shotgun, but zombie leopard and zombie zebra attacks him from behind. He dodges and shoots them and fights other zombies too. For this, we just paste this. As you can see, I've already added my story here. This is a 5x3 storyboard grid. Now I'll just click on generate. Now it will start generating. As you can see, it has started generating the panels, the scenes. It will give male character reference, environment, and it has started generating the panels. Now copy this, head over to your image generator, same thing, use Seedream 5 and just paste and hit generate. Now this is the panel that I get. This is the storyboard that I get. Now for the video, just head over to Seedance. Now as you can see, this is the main character which you have added. This is the storyboard, and these are the other characters that we have added. Now just let me select them. Click on confirm. for video, and I will just paste the prompt again that we made, and then I will just click on generate. Okay, now this is the completed video that has been generated.
Not today!
I hope you liked this video, and please like, subscribe, and comment on this video so we'll make more videos like this.